Now, today we discuss slope concept and various forms of slope. First of all, we discuss about the slope definition. Now, here a line L, another line is cuts this x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction, makes an angle theta, that is called as a steepness. Steepness or inclination. Steepness or inclination. This is called as slope. Whenever theta is given, tan theta is the slope of the given line. Whenever theta is given, tan theta is the slope of the given line. That's why you have to take only tan theta. Few students ask why only you have to take tan theta. That means here one concept is also there. I will explain now. Why you take only tan theta in presence of the slope. Two mutual perpendicular lines are intersecting at a point 0, 0. Now a line passing through the origin, making an angle theta here, total angle is 90 degrees and this angle is 45 degrees we have to assume, because this line intersects the right angle in two parts, 45 degrees and 45 degrees. Now, if you take any 2 points on the line, this is called y is equal to x line, because passes through the origin, the line should be y is equal to x line. That means x comma y always same, 3 comma 3 or 4 comma 4, and here in negative way is also minus 1 comma minus 1. This is minus 2 comma minus 2. Because x is equal to y line, if you take x value, the same we have to take y. By finding the ratio of y coordinates and x coordinates. See, 3 minus 2, difference between the y coordinates by difference between the x coordinates is equal to 1. And here also if you take 1 comma 1 and find the ratio of y coordinates and ratio of x coordinates is always 1. And here also y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, we have to take difference between y coordinates by difference between x coordinates is always 1. What we observe that if you take any 2 points on the line y is equal to x, we get the same value here. That should be a constant. That constant is treated as m. That should be called as a slope. And m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is in the form of y by x formation in trigonometry. In trigonometry, you have to choose opposite side by adjacent side y by x. The same way here, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. Therefore, it is treated as m. Therefore, m is equal to, whenever points is given, we have to apply this formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Whenever theta is given, we apply the formula m is equal to tan theta. Very important notation. If theta is given, it is tan theta. Whenever points are given, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And suppose only there is no points, only the x-axis and y-axis are there. What is the slope of x-axis and what is the slope of y-axis? Now you know one formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. I have to take 2 points on the x-axis, that is 2 comma 0 and 3 comma 0. By applying slope formula is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 means 0 minus 0 by 3 minus 2, it should be 0. Therefore, slope of x-axis is 0. Slope of x-axis 0. Now, slope of y-axis. If you take any 2 points on the y-axis, 0 comma 2 and here 0 comma 3, because on the y-axis means x is 0. Now, apply the same notation here. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to 2 minus 3 by 0 minus 0 minus 1 by 0, it is infinity. Therefore, slope of y-axis is infinity, not defined. In the sense, not defined. Now, 2 points we obtained from this. Slope of x-axis is 0. Slope of y-axis is not defined, that is undefined. The same way, slope of a line parallel to x-axis is always 0. The slope of any line parallel to x-axis is always 0. In the same way, slope of y-axis, any line parallel to y-axis is undefined. Undefined. Very, very important. Proofs also given to you. If you take any 2 points, we get 0. Here, if you take any 2 points on the y-axis, it should be undefined. Therefore, slope of x is 0. Slope of a line parallel to x-axis is always 0. Slope of y-axis is undefined. Slope of a line parallel to y-axis also undefined. Now we have to notation the slope, various forms of slope. First one is y is equal to mx, and second one is y is equal to mx plus c, and third one is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, and fourth one is equal to x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is intercept formation, intercept form, and final one is 2-point form, 2-point form. Now we have to discuss these 5 various forms of a line. First you discuss y is equal to mx. Just you have to take 2 mutual perpendicular lines, and passing through the origin you have to take one line. Take a point x comma y here, and this is 0 comma 0. By applying formula m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, therefore y is equal to mx. This is the first form of the line. Whenever slope is given, y is equal to mx. Just you take a point x comma y and find the slope of these 2 points, we get y is equal to mx. Now second one, y is equal to mx plus c. The same notation here we apply here. In a line intersects here, this is the point 0 comma c, 0 comma c, because y-intercept is c, and if you take any point here, that is x comma y, this is the point 0 comma c, because c is called as y-intercept. Now the same way y is equal to mx plus c, just to find the slope here, y minus c by x minus 0, by using y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Therefore mx is equal to y minus c. Now mx plus c is equal to y. Now y is equal to mx plus c. This is, m is the slope and c is the y-intercept. This formula is used when slope is given and y-intercept is given. If y-intercept is given and slope is given, we apply y is equal to mx plus c. If slope is given, we apply y is equal to mx. This is derivations of first 2 various types of slope notations, and we have to take a third one, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. The same we have to take 2 points, one slope and one point. One slope, one point, x1 comma y1 is the 1 point, and m is the slope. Q is another point x comma y on the line. Whatever the figure we have to draw in the previous, q x comma y is the point on the line. Then the slope of these 2 points is y minus y1 by x minus x1. Slope is equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1. By cross multiplication, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This formula is used when slope is given and point is given. Slope is given and point is given, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. And the fourth one is intercept form. It is also very, very important. Intercept form. A line which intersects here x-axis and y-axis, we take it as here a comma 0, and it is called as 0 comma b. Now just you have to find the slope of these 2 points, or we have to know the y-intercept formation is y is equal to mx plus c. Just we find the slope here, m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. The formula is minus b by a. Already this line intersect the y-axis, means here y-intercept is c. Therefore intercept formation we know that y is equal to mx plus c. Now y is equal to, what is m here? Minus b by a into x plus c means y-intercept. Here y-intercept is b. Now by cross multiplication, ay is equal to minus bx plus ab. Now we divide ab on both sides. Ay by ab is equal to minus bx by ab plus ab by ab. Now a cancel, bb cancel, ab cancel. Now y by b plus x by a is equal to 1. This is the intercept form of given line. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where a is called x-intercept and b is called y-intercept, whatever you have shown in the figure. The distance from the origin to the point is a and distance from the origin to the point b. Then find the equation when intercepts are given means x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. And the last one is 2-point form. Whenever 2 points are given, how to find the equation of a given line? Just you take 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 are the 2 points here. Just find the slope here, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And we know that y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Whenever slope and point is given, just substitute m value here. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. By cross multiplication, y minus y1 into x2 minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 into x minus x1. This is the notation when 2 points are given. Now here 5 various types of slope forms we have to obtain here. First one is y is equal to mx. Second one is y is equal to mx plus c. Slope and y-intercept is given. And third one is slope and point is given. We have to use this formula, y minus y is equal to m into x minus x1. And intercepts are given, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. And the final one is 2-point form. That is y minus y1 into x2 minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 into x minus x1. These are the various types of the forms.